This courtroom at the Court of Appeal Abuja Division is partially filled with lawyers representing Labour Party, the People's Democratic Party, the All Progressives Congress and the Independent National Electoral Commission INEC. At the commencement of the day's proceedings, counsel to Mr. Peter Obi, Mr. Onyechi Ikpeazu, praised the court to allow them conduct a physical inspection of all the BVAS machines that were used for the conduct of the presidential election to ensure that the evidence is preserved before the BVAS are reconfigured by INEC. He adds that if they are wiped out, it will affect the substance of the case. They equally applied to obtain the certified true copy of all the data in the BVAS. Counsel to Atiku Abubakar and Mecca Etiaba also shares the same school of thought as the Labour Party. Counsel to INEC, Mr. Tanimu Inua, urged the court to refuse the application, insisting that granting the request by Mr. Obi and the Labour Party would affect its preparations for the impending governorship and National Assembly elections. He told the court that about 176,000 BVAS were deployed to polling units during the presidential election, and each polling unit has its own particular BVAS machine which they need to configure for the forthcoming elections. He says it will be very difficult to reconfigure the machine ahead of the governorship and state assembly elections within the period. He added that no information in the BVAS will be lost, as they will transfer all the data in the BVAS to their back-end server. He insists they need the BVAS configured, and granting the application of Labour Party and the PDP, it will mar the process and may delay the conduct of the elections.
What they are actually seeking to do is to wipe out that vital physical evidence, which is the most reliable evidence of accreditation data. And if that is wiped out, then all the petitions will be in jeopardy.
Is INEC waking up today to know that they need the BVAS machine flushed in their language so that they will reconfigure it? Were they not aware of this when they planned the timetable and said the governorship and the House of Assembly election will take place 2 weeks after the presidential election?
They have not even shown from their application how long will it take them to inspect and come up with whatever they want to come up with it. So you could see that, I don't know the intention, but we have a constitutional responsibility that is to conduct the governorship and state houses of assembly election, or else will run into constitutional crisis.
The president-elect, Senator Bola Tinubu, is also seeking an order to access sensitive materials used by INEC to enable him prepare his defense against petitions that will seek to nullify his election.